have the members of the fraternity as well as the students. Do you have any questions? Can you please have a show of hands? No one? I think either yes. Anyone's? I think either you've loved the film so much that you're. Yes, please.
गौरव before you start इतनी एकदम से जोर से तालियां हमारे लिए भी नहीं बजी जो suddenly गौरव के लिए बजी dude you are the real star congratulations you're right
this is really a we school
let's go
ma'am my question is for you ma'am you have done movies in multi languages and ma'am what was the biggest challenge you faced or you know every language you have done movies or what was the biggest challenge for you in doing multi language movies.
May I know your name, please?
I'm Gaurav Bhattacharya.
Hi, Gaurav.
Hello, ma'am.
So, no, I don't know. I did not know every language when I initially started out. I have done movies in Telugu and Tamil and in Hindi. Hindi is obviously a home turf, so it comes naturally to me. I'm a Punjabi girl and I live in Churchgate. And having said that, I've picked up Telugu over the past few years. I can now speak in Telugu. I can understand Telugu fluently. I am not very good with my conversational speech in Tamil, but I do understand the language now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hi, thanks for coming here and sharing such a noble cause with all of us. And we are highly privileged and highly honored to have all you great celebrities here. And sir has always been supportive. My question to you is the movie only launching in Hindi or is it also launching in the other languages?
We're looking at other languages also. I mean, this is obviously the initial launch, but we will be dubbing it in other languages so we can spread the message as far as we can.
Thank you so much. I request everybody to please go ahead and share this on Facebook and all the social media that you have.
And a big thank you to all of you for appreciating the film so much. I was really enjoying myself when I heard all of you guys laughing, hooting and clapping. It was awesome.
Thank you so much. And also, just before we conclude, I'd also like to thank a lot of people who are here right now. So this film is always a team effort. Obviously, I was lucky to get really talented actors like Kajal and Apar, but there are also a lot of people behind the scenes. As Aditya mentioned, Sagar Thakkar, Ankit Sharma, but there are a lot of people here also from Business of Ideas who have contributed in making this film. Siddharth Sharma, and so many other people, the music, everything. So I mean, I can't take all the names right now because we might have to sit here for 2 hours then. But I definitely like to thank them also. So thank you all very much.
Why did you thought of starting it with a social cause, directing with a social cause?
I mean, why not? I think in this country we need to do more social causes so people are active. Let's just look at the facts, right? Why do we have a shortfall of blood units in this country when there's so many people here? Because people are not aware and people are not active. If we can make a difference in any way, and the fact that Kajal and Apar also took out their time from their busy schedules to come and do this, I mean, that's very important. And I think it's good that we've done this film together. We hope it changes people's minds. And let me conclude it by saying this, that, you know, real power is not just ability to influence people's minds. Real power is the ability to influence people's minds in the for the greater good. And that's how I see it when I do my work.
Aditya, you approached your family members also for this film, या उनके पास dates नहीं थी?
No, I didn't approach my family members because I wanted to do my work independently. आप तो जानते हैं अभी कितनी controversy चल रही है वैसे भी. So,
and in any case, now we are an extended family, so.
Apar Shakti, आप दोनों भाई मतलब like both of you have decided apart from acting, you will be doing social work and contributing to society. आप लोगों ने ऐसा सोचा कि वो विकी डोनर बने, आप ब्लड डोनर?
First thing I've you know, so, yeah, okay, yeah, of course. I mean, yeah, of course. As long, thank you so much, Kajal, for rescuing me again. पहले भी politically correct answer उन्होंने कर दिया suddenly. So yeah, of course. As long as I'm, you know, we both are contributing towards the society. I think तब तक सब कुछ perfect है. And
ये तो politically correct हो गया, जो असली है वो बोलिए ना.
नहीं यार यही है और इससे सच बात क्या बोलूँ मैं मेरी आंखों में सच्चाई नजर नहीं आ रही तुम्हें
करीब आओ तो दिखेगा
I think यहाँ का खुराफाती इंसान ये है. इनको जानबूझ के बुलाया गया थोड़ा मसाला create करने के लिए. But thank you so much, brother. Thank God we're not at a roast this thing yet. But thank you so much for the awesome question. But yeah, we've been doing a bit to give it back to the society. Not only on donation front. Me and my wife were running like where we used to stay in GK. We were doing a summer school for all the maids where they would come and learn English and Hindi from my wife and learn music and co-curricular activities from me. So we were doing this every summer for 3 years back to back. Now that I've shifted to Bombay, I'll try to continue it here, but I'm very new to this city, so I don't know how things will shape up. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Kajal, beautiful
You're
लोगों
not
का
going to spare me, no, now, after this?
He's asking on
I
behalf
think he
of
was rather
everyone.
warming up with me and now coming the big question.
Hi, may I know your name?
Sumit Sharma from India TV.
Hi, Sumit.
Sir, कैसे आप? ये तो I thought you were one of the students. You look so young.
Muska polish, हाँ? अब ये सब muska polish है.
मैं पूछ रहा था like are the beautiful person have beautiful blood also like so मतलब we can approach you for the blood.
I told you he was just warming up with me for a big question here.
So since so many things हमारे खून में है, I'm sure अब ये भी खून में ही होगा. I mean, मैं क्या बोलूँ? I am a regular donor. I donate blood very often, and maybe you should ask this question to the people who have donated. Maybe they'll be able to answer better.
And Mr. Uday, thank you so much for the enlightenment.
My pleasure, as always, Sumit.
उदय मिस्टर उदय हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि काफ़ी शॉर्ट फिल्म्स का जो इनॉग्रेशन या लॉन्च आजकल वेलिंगकर में ही हो रहा है सो आर यू कोलैबोरेटिंग विद दिस या ये आपने पर्पस बना लिया अपना
Sorry, well, I am collaborating with short films, yes, but this is the first time I'm coming to Wellington. So you're not inviting me often.
So what do you want to say, sir? Do you want to say something?
So I haven't started collaborating yet, but yeah, we'll think about it. Let's figure it out.
नहीं मैंने उनसे पूछा था ये।
अब देखिए, अच्छा 1 मिनट.
In fact, the credit for this goes to Aditya, my alums, and my students who work together as a part of our media entertainment film. That's all.
Thank you so
Sumit,
much.
thank you for asking the questions on behalf of everyone. Thank you very much.
Sumit, I must tell you, Sumit Sharma, right?
Yes.
Thank you so much for coming here. जितने लोग फिल्म देख के हंस रहे थे उससे ज़्यादा आपके क्वेश्चन देख के हंस रहे थे आई एम सेइंग इन अ गुड वे यार मैं बहुत पॉलिटिकली इनकरेक्ट इंसान हूँ मैं बहुत सीधा ऐसे दिल से बोल देता हूँ यू आर बैंग ऑन थैंक यू सो मच नॉट ओनली हिम फॉर एवरीवन each and every person is present here and supporting this cause from Tata Memorial to Aditya to Uday sir तो shoot पे भी थे we were chilling with him at this shoot during lunch and Kush and Kajal both thank you so much for making me a part of it and tolerating me the other day and today as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So on this note, ladies and gentlemen, can we have a photo op, please? Can I also at this point invite on stage Ankit and Sagar, who were the forces behind this film as well, to just have a quick photo op with the team, please. Thank you.
Guys, please give it up for Ankit and Sagar.
Just a minute. On behalf of the school, I'd want Salunke sir to please give a token of appreciation to our esteemed celebrities as well. Thank you. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Please share, support the film, and spread the love and the message of blood donation. Thank you, members of the press, for joining us today. Have a very warm evening, and thank you very much for being there. Thank you.